Good day, YouTube. This is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile coming to you today with another install. Today I'm actually going to be installing a brake pedal cover. Looks like a fairly easy install. It's got 2 screws, maybe have some adhesive in it, but it is from Goldstrike, and I'll actually have a link in the description below of this part if you're interested in checking it out. So for now we'll go to the install. Alright, well, I'm on the right side of the bike. At this point in time, here's the brake lever, and I'm going to be installing this on it. So it looks like it's going to take from what I've seen, 2 7mm screws is going to be holding it together, as well as I think some adhesive. I could be wrong, but once we get this open, we'll be able to see. I like how shiny it is. So this is going to be the bottom, this is going to be the top. Nice little setup there. Pretty easy install. The screws are attached to the bag here. Let me get these screws out. There is no adhesive. I thought there would be, but there's not. I gotta make sure that I get a 7mm Allen wrench here. There we go. Got the right size. So I set the top in place. I'm gonna set the bottom in place, and we'll put the screws in. Now if you want to put some lock tie or tie lock, thread lock on this, it probably wouldn't hurt. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm just going to snug it just barely. You don't want to tighten it too much to strip it out. So once it's tight, just give it a 1/4 turn. Okay, once it snugs up, pretty tight now, I'm going to give it one more 1/4 turn, and there you have it. The install is complete. Alright, well, that concludes the brake pedal cover install. It was an easy install, just 2 screws, no adhesive. Took about 5 minutes to install. Matches my highway pegs, it looks pretty nice. Tune in next week. I'll actually have my floorboards that I'm going to be doing, my Goldstrike floorboards. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you like videos like this, drop me a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I'll normally respond within 24 to 48 hours. If you have subscribed, click that bell so you'll be notified of videos in the future. So for now, this is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile signing out. Y'all be safe. Peace.